with the aim of sweetening food without increasing the levels of glucose in the blood. Sweeteners showed up as a replacement of sugar, being part of some diets and industrialized food. If you're used to reading the product labels in the supermarket, you have already noticed that there are lots of sweeteners out there. But could aspartame be bad for your health? Aspartame is a sweetener made by aspartic acid and phenylalanine, both natural ingredients. Our bodies produce the aspartic acid, and the phenylalanine is an essential amino acid you can find in food. That's why it's bad for us, and especially for those people with a genetic disease called phenylketonuria. Besides that, since its creation, several tests made on aspartame shows health dangers like headache, dizziness, nausea, vomit, diabetes, attention deficit disorder, Alzheimer's disease, lupus, convulsions, and fetal growth restriction, and it's also connected to the manifestation of cancer in some studies made with lab rats. One of the biggest dangers of aspartame is that its ingestion, normally in small quantities, covers up some problems that can be serious for our bodies. The recommendation of the World Health Organization, WHO, is that a 70-kilogram adult shouldn't eat more than 28 milligrams of aspartame daily. The math is based on 40 milligrams of the sweetener per kilo. Did you know there are healthier sweeteners? One such is stevia, which is natural and can be consumed by pregnant women and children, and mannitol, but this one cannot be consumed in high doses because it has a laxative effect. That's why you should check the label of the products before buying them, to make sure you have a better quality of life. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.